In September of 2019, I purchased this CNC plasma cutter system from China, and it was delivered back in November the 4th of the year. I got to play with it for just a couple of days, get it on my table that I built, and get it hooked up and playing and get the language set correctly. As you guys can see, it's moving along here on its own power, having a bit of fun playing with it with nothing attached to the end of the arm.
Moving on its own. We're doing the test pattern.
Then it was time to take some R&R, a couple of weeks in the deep south on a ship, on some islands, having some family time. Then when we got back at the end of the month, it was really time to get knuckling down and get to work. Drew up some designs and figured out how to import them into the machine and have it process them through. Looking good. It's not something I want to cut out, but it is a complicated design that I wanted to see if I could get it in there.
Well, that's where it starts.
Had my son at the shop with me for a day. Got some hands-on time with him there. Love it whenever he comes to the shop with me.
It's cutting out the words. Or it's demonstrating the words.
And finally got to cutting some pieces. It was an exciting day with the first cuts. Pulled some scrap out of a bin that I had permission to go diving in and did some test cuts. As you can see, the torch is walking away from my metal, but I got that sorted out. And then I got playing with square tubing and cutting holes so it would fit and cutting caps for it.